In this video, we are going to see real fuel filtration results with the GESPASA Model FG-300 filter, equipped with the 15-micron water-absorbent paper cartridge. In this case, filtration is carried out after a submersible pump. The filter is installed in the same chamber as the pump. Fuel samples are taken and analyzed in the laboratory. From the tank without filtering, and from the dispenser. Before filtration, the ISO code is 2017-13. This means that the number of impurities greater than 4 microns in 1 milliliter is between 50,000 and 10,000. The result of the sample after passing through the filter is 1714.9. That is, there are between 640 and 1,300 particles larger than 4 microns. This fuel is already optimal to be supplied in diesel vehicles, with a common rail injection system. Let us remember that engine manufacturers require a maximum of 2,500 particles larger than 4 microns. So with the FG-300, goal achieved. If we wanted to further increase filtration efficiency, we could filter in 2 stages, or install a more restrictive filter element. GESPASA Total Filtration.